friends, I'm Subhashri and welcome to the channel. I am very much excited to do this video because today I am going to try all the varieties of Amul drinks, and these are all milk based drinks which has some fruits in it, some shakes, some chocolate and some nice spices like this elaichi, and also some healthier versions like ginger, haldi and honey also. And also we have some sugar-free drinks. So this video is going to be fun because we are going to try a lot of varieties here. In present I have near about 24 varieties of Amul drinks. So we'll try one by one and I will share you my experience. So let's get started. So friends, now we are going to try out Amul canned drinks, and in canned drinks I have some shakers and some differently flavored Amul Cool Cafe as well as one mocktail. So let's taste them. So I will first start with Amul shakers. Okay, so first we are going to try Amul Cool Mango Shaker. This is 200 ml and it cost around 30 rupees. So let's shake and then try it out. So let's cheers. Yeah, it feels like I'm drinking a mango milkshake. Obviously it's Amul shakers. The thing is, the flavor of mango is nice, prominent, and the smell, and it's nice. I don't know which mango they have used because they have not mentioned here, but it has got a nice flavor and aroma. And if I compare it with the Amul True, then I will say it's more on the consistency is little bit more thick compared to this, because I think the milk is little bit condensed, or the pulp which they have added here is nice. But overall, it satisfies your cravings of mango when you don't have mango, and it's a nice milkshake to have. So now we'll try the next shaker, and yeah, that is strawberry shaker. Price and the quantity remains same, 30 rupees for 200 ml. And let's see, just strawberry shaker. Wow, this is nice. Like, I have not tasted anything of strawberry flavor, so I could say it's really nice. I'm feeling like it has got strawberry ice cream, the flavor of strawberry ice cream and strawberry pulp with milk. Yum, like those, it's a complete substitute of homemade, strawberry milk. In a can, this is amazing. Milk consistency, the sweetness as well as the aroma of strawberry is really yum, really nice. Now we have an interesting one, that is Amul Badam shakers, and it has got some bits of badam. So I'm really interested to see whether I get the bits of badam in my first sip. And the price and the quantity remains same. No, actually this is 35 rupees. I think 5 rupees more for the bits. So it's 35 for 200 ml. Now this is a very this will be very healthy for kids. Just trying my luck out to get the. I'm very much excited. Lucky me, I got the bits. Oh wow. Yeah. Wow. It's nice and thin. Not the thicker as the other two shakers. But the good part is, it has a lot of badam, because on the first sip itself I could get, adding something like badam or something crunchy to your drink. It gives a different texture and different dimension, and that attracts more crowd. And I always like something to be chunky in whatever drink you have, and those person who like to have real badam in their drinks, this is a must. And yes, they have charged 5 rupees extra, but that's good because it's badam and we know the price of badam. So for 200 ml with the actual beats of badam, it's good. We know Amul Cool Cafe, but Amul has also introduced them with 2 different flavors, and here I am going to try that for you. So Amul Cool Cafe with hazelnut. It has milk, coffee and hazelnut flavor. Again, it's rupees 30 for 200 ml. Let's see whether I get the flavor of hazelnut. Cheers. Yeah, I can, at first, yeah, if you smell it, you will first get the, nutty smell of hazelnut, the groundy, the rustic smell of hazelnut, and then when you sip through it, you will get nice coffee flavor. But the hazelnut here, as they say, it's hazelnut flavor. It's true. I just wonder if they could have added some chunks of hazelnut, it would have been a party for me. But nevertheless, they have added the flavor of hazelnut, and it's very unique to get a taste of hazelnut in a coffee, and that too in 30 rupees. It's nice and it's a thumbs up for me. And one more flavor I have for you, and that's Amul Cool Cafe with cinnamon. Now we all know cinnamon and desserts are like match made in heaven. We know cinnamon rolls and apple pie with cinnamon. But with coffee, I am very much excited to try this out. Again, this is for rupees 30 for 200 ml, and I'm excited to try this. Let's open it and try. With the smell, I can say I am getting only this aroma of coffee. Let me test and see. Sorry to say, but I don't get any smell, flavor, taste, anything of cinnamon. I just get milk and coffee, just like this. If you guys have tried this out, let me know if you have feel the same, or if you could have recognized the taste. Maybe it's in very small quantity, which is why I am not able to identify it. But okay, as a coffee it's okay, but I'm a little bit disappointed because I couldn't get the flavor of cinnamon. Then we have a showstopper here for this can range, and that's our Pina Colada mocktail. Now, this is rich and creamy milk with pineapple and coconut flavors, giving me Mediterranean vibe, and this is for 35, and it's a mocktail in a can from Amul. Let's try this out. Here's our Pina Colada. Taste and try. See? Yeah, I can get a little bit flavor of coconut. Then the flavors are very toned out, like very slight, halka flavors you can say of everything. At the last, after you have completed the drink completely from your mouth, you will get little bit taste of coconut, like coconut oil or coconut juice, little bit. Pineapple, I'm not sure, I'm not able to get that much flavors of pineapple. But yeah, milk is prominent, so that is on good quantity. The other two, yeah, you can manage. For those who like Pina Colada, it's good, they can try it out. But then it's not that good or that bad, it's okay. So if you say I'm very much impressed with this, and yeah, with the hazelnut, this too, okay, that didn't live up to my expectation, but nonetheless it's good, and you can try it out just to know how it is. So friends, that's all for today's video. In the next part, we'll try out the healthier versions of natural healthy doodh which our grannies used to give. So see you in the next video. Then let's live, connect and grow, and do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also let me know your favorite drink in the comment section below from Amul. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.